Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a UTEPO CP2 300 long distance wireless transmission device. You might be using this to transmit video or something like that for a surveillance system that you have, and you need to do a hard reset to factory settings on it. Now, you might want to do this for two reasons. One is troubleshooting. If the system is not working or not connecting, or if the signal is weak, or the access point is not allowing access, things like that. Also, if you want to set this up in a new situation, on a new network and everything like that, we can go ahead and restore the factory defaults like when it came out of the box. Now, you can't actually do this right on the device. You have to do it through the firmware. You have to connect to the device. But once you connect to the device, it's very easy. All you need to do is come down to the system menu, the settings menu, and the system menu. And from there, we directly have a reset or upgrade option. And then we're just going to come over to the reset to defaults. And if we click on resetting it, we can reset it to its factory default setting.